Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Let's make a delicious and nutritious Japanese side dish, spinach with sesame dressing. This dish combines the fresh taste of spinach with the rich nutty flavor of sesame. It's a simple yet delightful addition to any meal. So let's start cooking! Start by preparing the spinach. Wash the stems thoroughly as they tend to have dirt and grit. Cook the spinach whole. Bring a pot of water to boil. Add some salt, then immerse the stem side for 30 seconds. Followed by entire bunch for another 30 seconds. After boiling the spinach, cool it immediately in water. This stops further cooking and preserves its vibrant color. Tap water is fine in winter, but cold or ice water is recommended during warmer seasons. Once cooled, squeeze out the excess water and cut the spinach into 4 to 5 cm lengths. In a bowl, mix the dressing ingredients. Adjust the amount of sugar between 1/2 to 1 teaspoon, according to your taste. It's okay to start with less sugar and add more later if needed. Now mix the drained spinach with the dressing. The spinach will be compacted from squeezing, so loosen it with chopsticks or your hands while mixing. It's important to mix the spinach with the dressing just before serving to prevent it from becoming watery. The aromatic sesame and the natural taste of spinach make for a delicious combination. Let's look over what we used today. Thank you so much for watching our video on how to make spinach with sesame dressing. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and feel inspired to try it out in your own kitchen. If you have any question or if you tried making it, please share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future Japanese cooking guides. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your delicious creations. Bye bye!